First, unscrew the bolt at the back of the phone mount. Next, attach the phone mount to the handlebar. Make sure the red part, which is the charging port, faces toward your saddle. Then, adjust the phone mount to the angle that works best for you and tighten the screw. First, remove the coil that fixes the cable from the front of the car to under the back seat of the car. Organize the cables of the mobile phone holder together and then install the coil. Then, unscrew the bolts under the rear seat plate. Once they're out, pull it backward, and the rear seat plate will come off. Next, locate the orange and black cable connector on the controller and connect it to the phone mount's cable. Neatly organize the cables, put the rear seat plate back on, and tighten the screws.